This tutorial shows you how to use your Amazon gift card to purchase Valorant points first. Make sure you have a Riot Games account. If not, visit the Riot Games website to create one, linking your email and choosing a username. Next, redeem your Amazon gift card. Go to the Amazon website or app. Navigate to your account, select gift cards and registry, and then choose redeem a gift card. Enter your gift card code and click apply. Your Amazon account balance should now reflect the gift card's value now. Link your Amazon account to your Riot Games account. Return to the Riot Games website, log in, and find the account settings section. In your account settings, look for an option to link external accounts and select Amazon. You'll be prompted to log into your Amazon account to authorize the connection. With your account's link, you can purchase Valorant points directly through your Riot Games account. Open the Valorant store in-game or on the website and choose your desired Valorant points package. At checkout, select your Amazon account balance as the payment method. The purchase price will be deducted from your Amazon gift card balance. Be aware of regional restrictions. Ensure your Amazon and Riot Games accounts are in the same region. If issues arise, verify both accounts are linked and that your Amazon gift card is valid. Congratulations! You've successfully used your Amazon gift card to get Valorant points and enhance your gameplay. Enjoy!